Did you know that our body's nutritional needs can change with the seasons, especially during the scorching summer heat? That's right, summer's increased temperatures and sunny days can lead to increased sweating and dehydration, altering our dietary needs. But don't sweat it, nature has a solution: summer superfoods. These nutritional powerhouses not only help us keep our cool, but also pack a punch in terms of vitamins, minerals, and hydration. So, let's dive into the world of summer superfoods that not only keep us cool, but also provide a nutritional punch. Superfoods, as the name suggests, are nutrient powerhouses. But what makes a superfood a summer superfood? Well, superfoods are foods that are rich in nutrients and considered beneficial for health and well-being. They are often packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Now, summer superfoods are a special category of these nutrient-dense foods that are particularly beneficial during the hot months. These foods are not only high in water content to keep us hydrated, but they also provide essential nutrients that can help us combat the effects of summer heat. They help maintain our energy levels, support our immune system, and can even act as natural sunscreens. The great thing about summer superfoods is that they are usually fresh, colorful, and absolutely delicious. From juicy watermelons to crunchy cucumbers, these foods can be easily integrated into our summer diet. Now that we have a grasp on what summer superfoods are, let's explore some of the best ones out there. From juicy watermelons to crunchy cucumbers and vibrant berries, summer superfoods are as tasty as they are beneficial. Let's dive right into some of the best superfoods for hot days. First up is the watermelon, a summertime favorite. It's not just refreshing, but also packed with hydration-boosting water and vitamins. Cucumbers, being 95% water, are another hydrating hero, while their fiber content aids digestion. Berries, especially blueberries, are powerhouses of antioxidants, helping your body combat heat-induced oxidative stress. For a protein punch, turn to quinoa. This grain is excellent for energy and keeps you feeling full longer. Incorporating these superfoods into your daily meals can be as simple as adding sliced cucumber to your water or tossing berries into a salad. Try a refreshing quinoa salad with watermelon and feta for a quick, nutritious meal. Remember, staying hydrated is key during summer, and many of these superfoods can help with that. While water is the ultimate hydrator, some superfoods can also contribute to your daily fluid intake. In the heat of summer, hydration is key. Superfoods like cucumbers, watermelon, and strawberries are packed with water, helping to keep you refreshed. With these superfoods, you're not just eating smart, but you're also drinking smart. To sum it up, summer superfoods are your allies in beating the heat and staying healthy. Remember, foods like watermelon, cucumber, and berries not only keep you cool, but also hydrate and nourish your body. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below to share your experiences with these summer superfoods. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.